When you're looking to configure user permissions in teamwork.com, you're taking a step to ensure your team has the right level of access for efficient collaboration. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up user permissions for your projects, tasks, and teams in Teamwork so you can manage your workflow with complete control. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to configure user permissions like a pro, but also have access to a special offer that could save you time and money. Teamwork.com is an amazing project management tool that allows you to customize the user experience for your team. One of its most powerful features is the ability to set different permissions, ensuring everyone has access to the right tasks without overloading them with unnecessary information. Configuring user permissions is essential for maintaining organization and streamlining workflows, especially when you're managing a large team or multiple projects. To get started, you first need to understand the 3 core levels of user permissions: admin, user, and guest. Admins have the highest level of access and can configure settings, invite new users, and have full control over the workspace. Users can interact with tasks and projects, but typically have limited control over the settings. Guests are external users with minimal access, usually restricted to viewing or commenting on specific tasks or projects. Understanding these basic roles is key to configuring your permissions effectively. Now, let's dive into how you can assign these roles. First, head to your project settings. This can be done by selecting the project you want to manage and clicking on the People tab. From here, you can invite new users or assign roles to existing ones. For each member, you can assign the appropriate level of access based on their responsibilities within the project. For example, if you're working with a developer who only needs to track tasks, assigning them as a user with access to tasks is ideal. On the other hand, if you have a team leader who needs to oversee the whole project, give them admin access to make sure they can manage everything from milestones to project settings. Another great feature of Teamwork is the ability to set permissions at a granular level. You can choose specific permissions for tasks, time tracking, files, and discussions. For instance, you can give someone permission to add and edit tasks, but restrict them from viewing financial data or project billing. This helps you maintain security and clarity within your workspace. What's also fantastic is that you can configure permissions for multiple projects at once, which is incredibly useful if you're managing large portfolios or cross-functional teams. To do this, just go to the Users section in your workspace settings and manage permissions in bulk. This saves you time when onboarding new team members or adjusting access rights for a large group. If you're worried about mistakes or needing to adjust settings down the line, don't stress. Teamwork allows you to adjust permissions at any time, making it easy to stay flexible as your project needs evolve. And if you need to take a more temporary approach, you can always create custom permissions for specific tasks or projects, giving you even more control over who sees and does what. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to configure user permissions in teamwork.com. The flexibility and customization it offers make it a go-to tool for managing teams of all sizes. Before we wrap up, don't forget that if you're new to Teamwork, you can use the software completely free with the exclusive bonus link in the description below. To recap, configuring user permissions is crucial for team management in teamwork.com. It's about ensuring the right people have access to the right tasks and that your team stays productive and organized. You can get started with your free trial today and take full advantage of these amazing features. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check the first link in the description for your exclusive extended free trial offer.